Looks like they're going to take the tarp off. This is always exciting. One of the most exciting and missed parts of a baseball game. Not many people get a chance to see this. Notice the cheering in the stands. The wild hysteria. The people just can't control themselves. You can't understand the enjoyment people get when they see the tarp coming off the field.
Oh, there's a guy down! Look at him, he fell!
Man down! Man down! Oh my God, the catastrophe! The humanity!
So you were wrong.
I'm not wrong.
You said they picked it up from the middle.
They're going to put it back.
What?
They're taking the water off. Then they're going to put it back and then they're going to fold it. You watch. They're just taking the water off.
Oh, they keep going.
They're taking the water off, see? The water's coming off the edges. Then when all the water's off, they're going to put the top back down and then fold it correctly. Notice the indelible imprint of the infield. This is what you guys should do for your half pipe.
Yeah, we need that type.
Yeah, you need that. All right, so come here. Well, they're not using it on the next field.
You think they're going to get a brand new tarp for the next field?
Yeah, it's going to say, what's his name's field? City field.
Oh, City Bank.
Oh, when they next go for Bank, they're never going to win a game now. They're done. That's like the biggest pressure you put on a baseball team.
See, now they got all the water off.
Now they got to walk all.
Then they're going to walk all the way back. Here they come.
That's funny. What a job. What a job.
I'm telling you, this is one of the missed things in baseball history. As the grounds crew at Shea Stadium takes the top off in the middle of a thunderstorm.
Yeah.
I didn't notice.
So now, if you ever get the urge to see them take the top off an infield, you can always just come and look at it.
Yeah, go to the website.
You got to make you a .com, man.
Superlou.com? Then I got to go get one?
BlueMovies.com. Famous.
All right, now they brought it back.
Kind of in place.
That's all. They just have to make sure that it's square. And I walk out to the middle someplace and grab it.
So first I got to fix it. It's straight.
This is amazing stuff.
This is pretty exciting.
They look like little ants on our kitchen counter.
Can we squash them?
They should do a bunch of soccer ball, dirt ball, shake it, popcorn, shake it.